I quite honestly never say no to comfort food. I am one of those people, like I honestly do not say no to comfort food, and I have a ton of them. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of them. This is an oven grilled fish, tilapia fish actually, with fried plantains, fried yams. You can add fried potatoes if you want. It's like the ultimate Nigerian comfort food platter, if you get what I mean. If you go to a Nigerian restaurant and you check their platter menu, you most likely have something like this. Talking about it now, I remember back in 2022 when I met my friend Ade. This was one of the first food that we ate together. It was so good, so beautiful. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make oven grilled tilapia fish paired with some fried plantains and some potatoes and some really good spicy sauce on the side. Everything in this recipe is made so easy. You don't have to too much. You don't have to think too much. Honestly, you most likely have all of the ingredients to make this in your house, because for me, I did not really need to do too much. I think I only had to buy the fish for this recipe and every other thing I had in the house. So let us go make my perfect Nigerian comfort food platter. But you guys know how we do it here. If you're not subscribed, click on the subscribe button. If you end up finding this video helpful, please click on the like button, leave a comment letting me know what you think about the recipe. All of this makes the algorithm know that you have found this video helpful, and then they're able to push my videos to more people like you who are going to find my video helpful, and together we are going to be having an amazing time in our kitchen. So let's go into today's video. These are the ingredients we'll be needing to make our really good tilapia fish. We're using some garlic powder and some chili oil. I love garlic powder, you guys already know that, and I have a recipe for this chili oil on my YouTube. We're using some seasoning cube and some smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, sea spice, a little bit of coriander, some fresh onion, fresh thyme. That's important. This is just scotch bonnet pepper and tomato blended together. And for our fish, we're using tilapia fish. Please use any other fish that you like. You can use croaker, just any fish works with this. We are also frying some plantains and some yam. I've already gone ahead to clean and get everything ready. Now to start off, we are going to put all our spices and seasonings together in a bowl to form one big spice and seasoning, or just one big spice bowl. Essentially, we're going to just mix this and combine everything. Then we are going to use it to marinate our chicken. It is important that you just do this so that you don't have like one spices or one spice or herb or seasoning concentrated in one part and then you don't have enough in one part. So mix everything thoroughly. And then for the fish, you want to make some incisions just like this. How you just want to do is you just want to cut it until you can feel the bone of the fish, and then you stop cutting because you don't want to cut it into two, right? And the purpose for this is because you want to make sure that all your spices and seasonings are penetrating, getting into this fish as much as you can, so that you have a flavorful fish. We don't want anything bland here. Like, we're Africans, let's it's like one essentially. Anywho, now you want to rub that in properly. You would see that, or you'll notice that I am not using any oil at this point. That's very intentional. You want to make sure that your spices and seasonings, they're getting everywhere. While we're here, you guys, in case it's the first time you hear my voice, or in case it's the first time you are coming across a video from my channel, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I am a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this twice every week. I also share food videos on my YouTube shorts every day. So if you subscribe to my channel, which I think you should, you're never going to lack good quality content on how to make different recipes, different food, mouth-watering food in very, very easy ways. So please click on the subscribe button, and if you've enjoyed the video so far, please click on the like button and share the video. Now once you're done rubbing the spices and everything on the fish, you want to now get your onion. You can also add some bell peppers if you want. You can add some lemon if you want. You're going to add the fresh thyme. Fresh thyme is very important. I always say that if you can use fresh ingredients, use them because they always make a difference. So you're going to put that in the middle of the fish, and then now I'm just going in with my chili oil just on top of the fish, and then we are going to cover this and broil this for about 25 minutes using an oven or an air fryer. Whatever one you want to use is fine. Thankfully, I have an oven that also doubles as an air fryer, which is what I'm going to be using here. So you're just going to put that in the oven 25 minutes, and after 25 minutes you're going to bring it out. But first, while this is in the oven, we are going to be doing some other prep work just so that everything is really fast. So like I said, we're pairing this with some fried yams and some fried sauce, or some stew sauce, and also like plantains. So we're going to make the sauce first. This is very easy. All you have to do is oil, onion, add the tomato and pepper. If you notice, or as you can see, this is roughly blended, so if you want it to be really smooth, of course, please go with that. To season, I'm just adding fresh thyme, garlic powder, salt, seasoning cube and paprika. That's about it. Nothing too much, no long talk, no serene. All you want to do is cook this until you see that the oil is floating on top, or you can see that it is properly fried, just like this, and that's how you know that your sauce is ready. Then you can set that aside. Now for our yam, I'm just going to salt it a bit. Do you guys salt your plantains? I typically don't do. I don't know why I decided to do it for this video. I can't remember the last time I did, probably like 2019, honestly. But yeah, I'm just going to fry my plantains until they're done golden brown, and I'm also going to do the same thing for my yam. By the time all of this is ready, your fish should almost be ready, or should be ready, honestly. So essentially, you're just trying to maximize time as much as you can. Now once you're done with this, our fish is out of the oven. We've boiled it for 25 minutes. What we're now going to do is open it and then put it back inside the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes, just so we complete the grilling process. So I'm just adding a little bit more chili oil. Like I said, I have a video on how to make this chili oil on my YouTube short, so check that out. We put that in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after 10 to 15 minutes, this right here is what we have. This beauty, you guys. This was so good. All you have to do now is plate this and serve. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and if you found it helpful, please click on the subscribe button, click on the share button, click on the like button, leave a comment letting me know what you think about the recipe. It's very important that you share this video, you guys. It is very important that you share this video. Now I am going to see you guys in my next video. Enjoy.